Okay, today we're here at the Universal Studios Hollywood, and I came to the lower lot to the Jurassic Cafe, and I got this Tropical Mosasaurus Splash. This is non-alcoholic, so it's only $11. Let me see if it says what's in it. Okay, let's see. It says there's pineapple and lemon juice, coconut milk, blue curacao syrup with a pineapple wedge and a maraschino cherry, and a boba straw, and ice. So the whole drink itself was already in a container, so all the stuff was already mixed up in it. Pineapple, lemon juice, coconut milk. Yeah, it does taste like pineapple. The lemon is almost, well, they're about equal, so you can taste them both. You really can't taste the coconut milk. I think the blue curacao is just to color it, right? Oh, there it is. The maraschino cherry is too heavy for the ice to keep up. Yeah, if you're looking for a, this one's pretty refreshing drink, then come down here and get a Tropical Mosasaurus Splash for $11. Oh, the pineapple's really good. Not just sweet. Too bad they don't have a Jurassic World logo here. Then you could keep the cup. But it actually tastes really good. So, also, if you're willing to pay $11 for this drink, then you could try it. They have, I think, 2 that are non-alcoholic themed drinks, and then 1 that's alcoholic. So that one's a little more than, it's probably like $16 or something. This one's pretty refreshing. It's pretty hot out there today. So let's see. I think I'll give it an A. It tastes really good. Although I should probably give it an A- because it's a little pricey. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.